This is a FARO equipment stand. Came out of a closed tractor manufacturer, or a tripod, I should say. It's not really a stand. Well, stand, tripod, whatever. This folds up. I want to say that I was thinking this is carbon fiber, but this could just be fiberglass. Not sure. Aluminum, possibly. But this thing folds up. Let me see. Can I see that tape measure? I'll give you some dimensions. Here, I can do it. Here, just hold that. Keep it on there. Okay, so this thing is fully extended right now. So I have, can you see this? I have the legs all the way out, so they go up and down. And then I have the shaft fully extended. So we are talking about fully extended height is just about 59.5, say 60 inches maybe. Come in a little bit and focus on this thing. This piece, I believe, so that's loose. I think it locks. I don't know what this mount is called, but you can see it's got kind of these mounts into it. And I think when you pick this thing over, it expands out a little bit and locks it in. To drop this, well, it's loose now, but normally this would be tight. So you loosen this, and then, I mean, this is the simplest thing I've ever seen. I mean, as far as this going up and down, it's almost effortless. It's like nothing. You know, the way it operates, and you can go up and down. So I'll give you a height that's, hang on a second. Okay, so that's all the way down, and so we're at just about 48 inches. So what is that? 12 inches of shaft length there. Then the next piece of this is I'm going to fold this up for you. So there's a loosen this, and then you pick it up. There you go. And it folds up. And then you can also, there's 3 of these, so if I click this, I'll try and do this and not drop this. There it is. Okay. I think you're supposed to do that with the legs extended out. But there's all folded up so it could fit into something smaller. Basically, folded up, it's about 11 by 13 by 37. I'm not sure on the weight because I don't have a scale out here, but I will get you a weight on it. This unit on top, kind of focus in there. Let me give you, it's like 1.5 inches, and the shaft length is just under 2 inches. This piece right here, I'm going to go with like 4.5 by 2. I think this piece comes off. It looks like it's got some hex keys in here that you could probably pull this shaft off and change it. Believe this was being used for a FARO arm, but it's probably adaptable to just about anything. Really nice piece. It's you know, real nice finish and everything. If you got any questions, concerns, or anything else, or I didn't do something, or want me to show you, let me know. Otherwise, thank you.